Blueprints and drawings. Inventions are a form of human expression that requires scientific and technical knowledge. How do technical experts communicate with each other about their machines and inventions? They may talk to each other or write to each other, very much like other people do. But it becomes difficult to explain about complicated machines if the actual machine or device is not there for other people to see. So, scientists, engineers and technical experts use blueprints and drawings to communicate among themselves. A drawing or a blueprint is like a map by which you can locate your directions and get an idea of what all landmarks you may see in an unknown area. The difference between a map and a technical drawing is that while a map and its symbols tell you about geographical features, the technical drawings tell you about the parts of a machine or device and how they are interconnected. Blueprints and drawings give a perfect idea of the systems making a machine with all details. These are often accompanied by printed manuals that describe how each part or section of a machine is to be assembled or dismantled. To enable technical experts to read the blueprints and drawings, symbols are used to show accessories like wires, nuts and bolts, gears, motors or electronic components as the case may be. Blueprints and drawings are such perfect means of technical communication that by studying the drawings, large machines, complicated devices and intricate electronic systems can be made with ease. Thus, technical drawings are the example of technical communication. They are an important part of designing things based on technology.